In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase Zoho books. Whether you're a small business owner or just managing personal finances, this comprehensive accounting software could be the tool you need to streamline your financial tasks. Let's dive right in and guide you through the straightforward process to make your purchase. First things first, you need to go to the Zoho Books website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL zoho.com/books. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice various features and resources detailed there, but for now let's focus on signing in. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the sign in button. A click here will prompt you to enter your login credentials. If you already have a Zoho account, simply log in using your email address and password. If however you're new to Zoho, you'll need to create an account, which is a quick process. All you need to do is follow the on-screen instructions for a fast setup. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the Zoho Books home. Here you get a glimpse of what Zoho Books offers. You have access to various modules like invoices, expenses, reports, and more. But for our purpose, we will move on to subscribing. So on the main dashboard, look for the subscribe button. It's usually highlighted in a prominent place to make it easy to find. Click on it to proceed. Here comes the crucial part, selecting your plan. You're going to see different subscription options tailored to suit varying business needs, from basic to more advanced features. It's important to take a moment to review these plans, compare the features, and then choose the one that aligns best with your requirements. After making your choice, click on the upgrade plan option. This action will initiate the process to either enter your payment details if you've selected a paid plan, or confirm your choice if it's a free trial. At this stage, you'll follow the prompts to finalize your purchase. Ensure that your payment information is correct before confirming the transaction. Once completed, you'll receive a confirmation email indicating that your purchase was successful and providing further instructions on how to get started with Zoho Books, including tutorials and support materials if needed. And there you have it. In just these few easy steps, you have subscribed to Zoho Books, setting you up to better manage finances with enhanced overview and capabilities that this platform offers. Keep exploring Zoho Books to make the most out of its myriad features. Thank you for tuning in, and happy accounting.